So this is how you can redeem the new winter codes for Dress to Impress. First, let's move on how to actually redeem codes. Well, I have this picture right here where you can see the actual layout of Dress to Impress. So here you have your settings on the left side and then more on the right. But basically what you're going to want to do is tap on this third button right here, the pink button with the pink bar under the yellow star button. It's going to appear here. This is what it's going to look like. It says DTI codes. So what you're going to want to do is basically type in the code there and then tap on the pink check mark. Once you do that, the code for the item will be there and then you can equip the item for as many times as you want to. Now, let's move on to the actual codes. So here are the currently working DTI codes as of now. You can stop the video if you want to, but basically the winter codes that are available right now is this winter update code and then 1CON, 1CF, 4TMA, or iconic Fatma. That's basically the winter codes. So there are more actually at the bottom. So you can pause the video and then copy these. But basically you can use these to get more clothes in the game. As you can see, you can get special handbags, bows, shirts, shorts, special hair, hats, skirts, jackets, tiaras, and way more. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Once again, all you have to do is click that pink bar and then type in the DTI codes. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.